Welcome to Benefits of. For centuries, people around the world have enjoyed herbal teas. These delightful beverages have been a part of human culture for ages, transcending borders and generations. These aromatic beverages offer more than just a pleasant taste. They are a sensory experience, engaging our sense of smell and taste and even our sense of touch with their warmth. They come with a wealth of health benefits. Each herb brings its unique properties, contributing to our overall health in various ways. From calming the mind to aiding digestion, herbal teas provide a natural way to enhance our well-being. Imagine sipping a cup of chamomile tea to unwind after a long day, or enjoying peppermint tea to soothe your stomach. Let's dive into the world of these beneficial brews. There is a vast array of herbal teas to explore, each with its unique flavor profile and health benefits. Herbal teas, unlike traditional teas from the tea plant, are infusions of herbs, spices, or fruits. This diversity allows for endless combinations and flavors, catering to every palate. This means they are naturally caffeine-free, making them a perfect choice for any time of day. Whether it's morning, noon, or night, there's always an herbal tea that fits the moment. Whether you're seeking better sleep, a soothed stomach, or a boost of antioxidants, there's an herbal tea ready to brew. From lavender for relaxation to ginger for digestion and berries for antioxidants, the options are plentiful and beneficial. Chamomile tea, with its delicate floral aroma, is well known for its calming properties. This gentle tea has been used for centuries as a natural sleep aid. Research suggests that chamomile contains compounds that may help ease anxiety and promote relaxation. Sipping on a warm cup of chamomile tea before bed can prepare your mind and body for a restful night's sleep. Peppermint tea, with its refreshing taste and invigorating aroma, is a popular choice for digestive support. This herbal infusion has been traditionally used to relieve digestive discomfort such as indigestion, bloating, and gas. The menthol in peppermint is known to relax the muscles of the digestive tract, allowing food to pass through more easily. Next time your stomach feels uneasy, reach for a cup of peppermint tea for soothing relief. Green tea, hailing from the same plant as black tea, is a beverage that has been cherished for centuries. It undergoes minimal processing, preserving its vibrant green color and rich antioxidant content. This minimal processing helps retain the natural compounds that make green tea so beneficial. Antioxidants are powerful compounds that protect our cells from damage caused by free radicals, which are unstable molecules that can harm cellular structures. By neutralizing these free radicals, antioxidants contribute to overall health and well-being, promoting longevity and vitality. Numerous studies have linked regular green tea consumption to a reduced risk of heart disease, certain types of cancer, and type 2 diabetes. The polyphenols in green tea are believed to be the key players in these health benefits. Adding a cup or two of green tea to your daily routine can provide your body with a dose of these protective antioxidants. Not only does it support your immune system, but it also aids in weight management and improves brain function. So, whether you enjoy it hot or iced, make green tea a part of your daily ritual and experience the myriad of health benefits it offers. Enjoying herbal teas goes beyond simply steeping a tea bag. It's an experience that can be both soothing and invigorating, depending on how you choose to prepare it. Get creative and explore different ways to incorporate these beneficial brews into your daily routine. From morning rituals to evening wind-downs, herbal teas can fit seamlessly into any part of your day. Add a sprig of fresh mint to your chamomile tea for an extra layer of flavor and relaxation. This simple addition can transform your cup into a calming, aromatic experience. Brew a strong batch of green tea and enjoy it iced with a squeeze of lemon for a refreshing antioxidant boost. This invigorating drink is perfect for hot summer days or as a revitalizing afternoon pick-me-up. Experiment with different combinations and find your perfect cup. Whether you prefer a single herb or a blend, the possibilities are endless. Mix and match to discover new flavors and benefits that suit your taste and wellness goals. From promoting restful sleep to aiding digestion and providing antioxidant protection, herbal teas offer a natural and enjoyable way to enhance our well-being. Embrace the power of these herbal infusions and experience the benefits they bring to your life. Remember to listen to your body, choose teas that resonate with your needs, and savor each sip on your journey to optimal health and wellness. Cheers to good health. Thanks for tuning in. I hope you enjoyed the information and found it helpful. Remember, the content here is for educational purposes and not a substitute for professional medical advice. Always consult with a healthcare professional before making any major health decisions. If you liked this video, please give it a thumbs up, subscribe, and hit the notification bell to stay updated. Don't forget to check the links below for additional resources. Thanks for watching and supporting the channel. See you in the next video.